Laiannuo vertical metal band saw is specifically designed for cutting metal in vertical orientation. It is commonly used in metalworking industries and workshops for various cutting applications. Unlike horizontal machine, vertical band saw has a vertically oriented cutting blade. This allows for easy cutting of metal workpieces in a vertical direction. Vertical metal band saws usually have an adjustable blade speed feature. This allows the operator to select the appropriate speed for different types of metals and cutting requirements. Different types of metals may require different blade speeds for optimum cutting performance. Vertical metal band saws come in various sizes with different cutting capacities. It refers to the maximum size of a workpiece that the band saw can accommodate. It includes the maximum height, width and throat of the workpiece that can be cut. This model max cutting 400 mm height, 400 mm throat, and 2000 mm length. These machines support OEM following requests. More information, please contact us directly.